In this part, we are going to discuss equation of a tangent line. So go back to the concept. What is tangent line? So tangent line is, so let's say we have a curve. So the graph of f of x is a curve. So a curve means the slope is changing all the time, right? Sometimes the slope is positive, sometimes the slope is negative, sometimes the slope is 0. So let's say I have a point. At that point, I want to find the slope. So since this is a curve, it's not a straight line, so the equation you use back in elementary algebra to find the slope of a straight line is no longer working. So when the function is a curve, first you have to find the first derivative. All right, you have to find f prime of x, and then you have to plug in the x value, because f prime of x is the slope of this curve at any x value. If you want a specific location, let's say x equals to a, then you have to find f prime of a. So that gives you a number, right? So this number is a slope. So let's say this point is x equals to a. So the slope is the slope of the tangent line. What is a tangent line? Tangent line is a straight line touching that point one time. So the slope of this tangent line is the same thing as the slope of this curve at this point. To find the equation of this straight line, you have to use a point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Point slope form. Okay, so this one I am looking for a tangent line. So first you have to find the derivative. So the derivative, we have a sign inside itself, right? So we have to use a chain rule. So the derivative of sine is cosine of whatever that is, and then we have to do the chain rule of the inner function. So since the inner function is sine of x, then this one is sine of x. So y prime is equals to cosine of sine of x. The derivative of sine is cosine. So that is your y prime. Y prime, what is y prime stands for? Y prime is the slope of the tangent line, slope of the tangent line of the given function at any x value. Again, is the slope of the function at any given value. So we have a point on the function. The point is pi comma 0. So that means x equals to pi. And then you plug in. So the slope is equals to cosine of sine of pi, and then times cosine of pi. So sine of pi at pi. So we have 180 degree at pi. Go back to your unit circle. If you don't know what it is, you have to look it up. Unit circle is not a topic in calculus. You have to look it up, unit circle. So at pi 180 degree, the coordinate is x equals to -1, y equals to 0. So sine refers to y, then this will be a 0. And then cosine of pi is equals to -1. And then sine of 0 is what? Sine of 0 is, oh, why do I put a sign in there? This is a cosine. Cosine of 0 is at 0, at the very beginning, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. So you have 1 times -1. So the slope is equals to -1. So that is the slope of the tangent line at the given point, which is also the same as the slope of the given function, which is a curve at that given point. And then you use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1. So we have y equals to -x plus pi. So that is the equation of the tangent line to the given function at the given point. Alright, so that will be all in this part. I will see you all in the next lesson. So don't forget, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I appreciate your help very, very much. Goodbye.